This is a brand new elevator at the Hicks Memorial Chapel at the Pittsburgh Theological Seminary in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, with PA elevators. He was the one who kind of found this. Well, we may have found it anyway, but anyway, brand new Gen 2. And this thing is tiny. We'll get down to low level. It has a rear door. Actually, that's this one. Interior go down. Flip up to 4. Chain up. I don't know if this replaced something older or if this is new. I think this may be new.
I hope this didn't replace anything.
Yeah, I hope it didn't either.
Evan, you didn't explore this place well enough.
Well, this wasn't even here last time as far as I know.
Oh.
Therefore, at least the piston pump is still here. We'll explore it later. Put it back down to 1. It's a nice, newer, basic Gen 2 cab. LED lighting, PA elevators. It's the shape of an old elevator, so I hope this didn't... They may have just made it this shape because that's all they could fit, but I hope not. Here, back at 1. There goes the next one.